Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. It's me Chaudhary and you are watching Hareem Cheat TV. Friends, here we are with a new video of free MS Excel learning course. Mostly friends know that we have started a project of Excel learning course for those people who are beginners, who are new students of MS Excel. We have tried and we are trying to make it simple and easy. We have tried and making try to upload only one video a day, to cover only one topic in a video, to make short video so that learning might be easy. It must not be complicated. Student might feel easy, simple and learn easily. If we cover more than one topics in a video, expert people may accept and digest, but new learner will be overburdened. It will be complicated for those people. We have uploaded 7 lessons, mean 7 lectures in 7 videos of MS Excel. Now we are moving towards expert level from basics. In today's video, we will discuss how we can insert currency symbol in MS Excel. The people who are new to my channel are requested to please subscribe my channel, press bell icon button so that my all videos may reach up to them easily and they can learn more and more. So, we are going to start our today's topic, how we can insert currency symbols in our Excel sheet. Here you can see a data representing items. These are basically vegetable items: tomato, potato, onion, garlic, chili, Spanish and carrot. In next column E, you can see their weight, kg, kilograms. So 10, 5, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2. In the next column F, you can see price per kg or price each kg, which is 100, 200, 124, 167, 234, 154, 234, and in the next column you can see total amount. But we are unable to understand that in what currency, in what country's currency these amounts are available here. Is it dollar? It is Pakistani rupees? Is it Indian rupees? Is it pound? Is it euro? Is it yen? Is it Saudi Riyal? Is it dirham? What is this? So, to find out this, to understand this, we have to insert a currency symbol with this amount. So, we will select this data. Actually, when we will use keyboard, on keyboard this only one currency symbol is available, which is dollar. So to find out more and more currency symbols, we will use Excel ribbon. Here we will go. When we will press this currency tab, only dollar will be represented here. Only US dollar you can see here. And currency symbol has been inserted. Now, this represents that this price is in dollars. When you can select this option, here you can only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options of only Chinese, Euro and UK pound and US dollar. And then you can see that French, Switzerland currency symbol. So, to find out your own country's currency symbol, you have to go on more options. So, here you will press on currency. Here you can see symbol. You will go here and from here you can select your own country's currency symbol. Like that, I will select PKR, yani Pakistani currency. So here I will put my cursor and will write PKR, and you can see here Pakistani currency. I will press OK, and you can see here that this is Pakistani rupees 100, Pakistani rupees 1000. So we have learned today that how can we insert currency symbol of your concerned country with amount, any amount that will represent the worth of that amount. Is it in dollars or rupees or real or yen or any other country's currency. So I think you would like this video. If you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe this channel. I will be with you with any other video in future. So please take care of you. Allah Hafiz.